Nature versus nurture in childhood development, exploring the interplay. Childhood development is a complex process influenced by both genetics, nature, and environment. Nurture. Understanding how these factors interact is key to explaining the unique trajectories each child follows. In this blog, we'll dive deeper into the science behind nature and nurture, explore influential case studies, and discuss how parents, educators, and communities can nurture a child's potential. 1. The role of nature in development. Nature refers to the genetic blueprint a child inherits from their parents. This includes physical traits, inherited characteristics such as eye color, height, and body structure. Cognitive abilities. Genetics play a role in a child's intellectual potential, including memory, problem solving, and language skills. Personality. Some aspects of temperament, like being naturally outgoing or reserved, are influenced by genetics, health, and predispositions. A child's risk for certain conditions, for example, asthma, diabetes, can be inherited. Case study: the Minnesota study of twins reared apart. One of the most famous studies in developmental psychology is the Minnesota study of twins reared apart. Researchers compared identical twins separated at birth to assess the influence of genetics versus environment. The findings revealed that many traits, such as intelligence and personality, showed a high degree of similarity, suggesting a strong genetic component. However, the study also highlighted significant differences attributable to environmental influences. To the impact of nurture on development. Nurture encompasses all environmental factors that affect a child's growth, including parenting styles, warm, supportive parenting promotes self-esteem and resilience, while inconsistent or harsh parenting can lead to behavioral challenges. Education and learning. Quality education, exposure to diverse experiences, and a stimulating home environment can greatly enhance cognitive development. Social interactions. Peer relationships, cultural background, and community support shape emotional and social skills. Economic and physical environment. Access to healthcare, proper nutrition, and safe living conditions are fundamental to healthy development. Case study: the Abecedarian Project. The Abecedarian Project was an early childhood intervention study that provided intensive education and care for children from low-income families. The results were striking. Children who received early educational enrichment showed significantly better cognitive outcomes and academic achievement later in life compared to those who did not. This study underscores the transformative power of a nurturing environment and quality education in shaping a child's future, regardless of genetic background. 3. The dynamic interaction. Nature meets nurture. The interplay between nature and nurture is not a simple one-way street. Both factors interact dynamically. Gene-environment interaction. A child may inherit a predisposition for high intelligence, nature, but without a stimulating environment, nurture, that potential might not fully materialize. Conversely, a supportive environment can help a child overcome genetic disadvantages. Epigenetics. Emerging research in epigenetics shows that environmental factors can influence gene expression. This means that nurturing experiences can turn on or turn off certain genetic traits, further blurring the line between nature and nurture. Real-life example. Educational achievement. Consider two children with similar genetic potential for academic success. One child grows up in a resource-rich environment with access to books, educational toys, and supportive teachers, while the other faces limited resources and less academic support. Over time, the first child is likely to achieve higher academic success, not because of differences in their genetic makeup, but due to the nurturing environment that allowed them. 4 practical implications for parents and educators. Creating a stimulating environment, provide access to books, creative activities, and interactive learning tools. A well-rounded environment fosters curiosity and supports cognitive development. Emotional support. Encourage open communication and provide a secure, loving environment. Emotional well-being is critical for overall development. Tailored education. Recognize that each child is unique. Adapt teaching methods to suit individual strengths and weaknesses. Early interventions can make a significant difference in maximizing a child's potential. Community and social engagement. Encourage positive social interactions through group activities, clubs, or community events. A supportive network plays a key role in a child's social and emotional growth. Conclusion. The nature versus nurture debate is not about determining which factor is more important, but understanding how the two work together to shape a child's development. Genetics provide the foundation, but a nurturing environment builds upon it to unlock each child's full potential. By recognizing and leveraging this interplay, parents, educators, and communities can help ensure that every child has the opportunity to thrive. What are your thoughts? Have you seen examples of nature and nurture in action? Share your experiences in the comments below. Watch till the end to understand how nature and nurture work together to influence childhood growth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content.